Couple of things real quick. First of all, did you notice that at the start of this tournament, they didn't have all the stuff doubled? That sucked. I lost a lot of stuff. Also, my initial strategy works good. This one's probably just a little bit slicker, so I'm going to do this. I've pushed this score a little higher, and there was something else. I'll tell you when I remember it. This one requires balance. Sometimes the plant foods don't all come in at the same speed, so you have to balance them out correctly. As soon as your last one pops, you gotta start hammering these all right in a row. Perfect overlap on the seed. You don't want to take up the two spots that I've left allocated for power lilies. I can't help it. Probably can afford to do that again because it's going to pop in a second. There we go. Slightly less lag on this one, not totally less, but slightly less. So my score record with my other strategy was 18.5 million, I think was where I topped out at, so let's see if we can get there. Get your plant foods up to level 10 and crank out one additional round of 2 plant foods right at the end. We're down to around 20 seconds when we're at level 10, which is the max level. At this point, I can afford one of those. If you'd ask me what's more important, the power mint or the plant food boost power, it's actually the plant food boost power. If you had to skip the mint, depending on the level of your plants, yes, you are getting slightly more out of the plant food power versus the mint. But if you can do both, score more like this. I just upped my star foods too. They were at like M25 or something, and I wasted some money on those. Oh, that was the other thing I was going to tell you. I can wait till the end. Ah, 18.5. All right, well, I wanted to try to score higher just to show you, but I've gotten this up to 20.5, so the strategy got me about 2 million more when the timing is perfect. So here's the other thing I was going to tell you. In case I haven't gone over this before properly, when you go to M level, what happens? For those of you who don't have M level plants yet, well, it's really quite simple. You get 2 new statistics for almost every plant. There's 1 or 2 that function different, so they don't work this way, but you get 2 new categories. Nothing else that you have on the board goes up anymore. Price doesn't go down, toughness damage doesn't go up, recharge time doesn't change, but you get 2 new categories. So here's a level 10 one that I have. So when you upgrade to mastery, watch what you get. You get a new category. Mastery, damage pierce, mastery, chance to boost. So damage pierce means the percentage chance that your whatever the plant's weapon is, when it hits them, goes through whatever armor they have and kills them pretty much right away. And chance to boost is when you set it down, it automatically uses its plant food power immediately, then defaults to normal. So as you go up from M level 1, M level 2, M level 3, all it does is bump either one of these 1%. So that's why there's 200%. So it's a ton of money, a ton of time before you'll get to M200. But don't be discouraged when you see people with M level plants, because aside from having themselves maxed at level 10, this extra damage pierce, chance to boost, I mean, it takes quite a while. We'll look at my star real quick, and we'll go as just to compare, since I have that one I think is my highest right now. I got 35% chance to boost through the zombie's armor and kill him quick, and 4% chance for it to be an automatic plant food power when it's dispatched. And you can see it's at 7,000 now at M35. Every couple M levels it goes up several thousand, so it's going to take forever to get this to a higher level, because I just don't have that much money. It looks like I have a lot, but I'm saving that because every time you have something that you have to upgrade, 50,000, 100,000 coins, and they're gone quick. All right, that's it.